Namaste, viewers. Hope you are all fine. Welcome to the prayer service. Today we are first praying to Lord Krishna. Krishnayo Vasudevayo Hare Paramatmane Pranata Kleshanashayo Govindayo Namo Namaham. O Krishna, O Vasudev, O Supreme Lord, you who removes all sorrows of those who bow to you. O Govindayo, I bow down to you again and again. He Krishna, He Vasudev, He Paramatma Haro, যিনি ভক্তদের সমস্ত দুঃখ ও ক্লেশ দূর করেন, হে গোবিন্দ, আপনাকে বারংবার প্রণাম জানাই। Thank you, Lord Krishna. Thank you so much.